fact, penis enlargement can work. Here's how. The science behind penis enlargement is based upon centuries of experimentation and research, as well as an in-depth understanding of this intricate part of the male anatomy. Let's have a look at exactly how and why penis enlargement, when done right, can be so effective, and how to help you see the results you desire. The anatomy of the penis. The penis is made up of three main areas. The two large chambers on the top are called the Corpora Cavernosa. The smaller chamber on the bottom is called the Corpus Spongiosum. In an erect state, the penis fills with blood, essentially filling these three chambers. However, the Corpus Spongiosum, that smaller chamber on the bottom, is used primarily when you urinate and ejaculate. The larger chambers that make up the Corpora Cavernosa are responsible for holding 90% of all the blood that is retained every time you have an erection. The size of these chambers determines the amount of blood that can fill them, which in turn determines the length and girth of your penis. So it follows that the best way to enlarge your penis is to increase the size of your Corpora Cavernosa, thereby increasing the amount of blood these chambers will hold, and making your penis both longer and wider. It's impossible for this expansion to happen on its own, though. You must use proven, effective penis enlargement techniques to foster the growth of your Corpora Cavernosa. How to enlarge your Corpora Cavernosa. The bad news is that the capacity of your Corpora Cavernosa to fill with blood, which determines the length and thickness of your erection, can decrease as you age. The good news is that clinical testing has proven that the penile tissue of the Corpora Cavernosa will increase in capacity, and function more effectively when exposed to specific natural ingredients. With the right blend of natural supplements, you will see not only an increase in the length and girth of your erections, you will also experience an increased libido, harder erections, increased staying power, and more intense erections. And the best part is, you can experience all of these benefits quickly, discreetly, and naturally. The right male enhancement supplement can guarantee you a larger, fuller penis, and a more satisfying sex life in a matter of days, with no painful exercises or traction devices. What to look for in a male enhancement supplement. To find a male enhancement supplement that contains the right ingredients in the exact dosages required to yield maximum results, you need to make sure you use only top-of-the-line products. The industry leader in all natural male enhancement products is called VIG-RX+. It's a doctor-approved formulation of proven herbal and medicinal ingredients, that has been enhanced by the addition of a key ingredient called bioprene, which has been proven through U.S. clinical studies to increase the absorption rates of the nutrients that it is combined with. Which means your body can more easily, and more effectively, utilize the scientifically formulated blend of proven-to-work herbal medicines contained within each capsule. Click the link below for more information about this penis enhancement superpower, endorsed by medical doctors and naturopaths alike.